आमचे नॅशनल हायवे जे आसा आता कोण मेंटेन करता? नॅशनल हायवे पयशे सगळे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट दिता. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटच्यान येता ते रिपेर करता, न्यू ब्रिज ते बांदता. आनी हांगा आमचो हो MOU कित्याक जाय? तेजे तो नॅशनल हायवेच करूं ना.
गोंयच्या 6 न्हंयांचे राष्ट्रीयकरणाविशीं कबलातीचेर सोमारा पणजे इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेजीस ब्रागांझा हॉलांत प्रेझेंटेशन जालें. आमदार, NGO तशेंच बाकीच्या इत्सूक लोकांक केंद्रीय संस्थांकडेन जावपा आशिल्ल्या ह्या कबलाती विशीं म्हायती मेळची म्हूण हें प्रेझेंटेशनाक मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार, पर्येंचो आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणे, रवी नायक आनी बाकीचे कांय आमदारूय आशिल्ले. सरकार म्हणटा हें न्हंयांचें राष्ट्रीयकरण न्ही, न्हंयांचो सांबाळ आनी उदरगती खातीर त्यो राष्ट्रीय म्हत्वाच्यो म्हूण घोशीत करतात, इतलेंच. मात जमिल्ले एक्टिव्हिस्ट आनी लोकांनी कायदे आनी सरकाराचे संबंदीत परिपत्रकांचेर बोट दवरून मुख्यमंत्र्याक आडवे तिडवे प्रश्न घाले.
This is not a hearing because this is the act of parliament. And second thing, there is no nationalization of any river. Rivers of national importance has been called as a national waterways.
हो MOU जो आसा तो सायन स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान करचो न्हू हें आमचें काँग्रेसी मत आसा सगळ्यांचें. ते कन्सिडर केलें MOU केलें ना जाल्यार फाल्यां जे प्रॉब्लेम जातले ते प्रॉब्लेम म्हाका दिसता फेस तुमीच करचे पडटले, सगळ्या लोकांक करचे पडटले. फाल्यां तुमकां कितें परमिशन जाय, यू हॅव टू गो टू नॅशनल ऑथॉरिटी, National Inland Waterways Authority. You will have to go to them and take permission. Then why they are asking? They are not asking. I have forced virtually those clauses. Where दोन clauses आम्ही घालून घेतल्यो ज्यो कशाच आयकनासले. हांव स्वता उलयलो, हांव स्वता गडकरी कडेन उलयलो, मिनिस्ट्रीन उलयलो आनी तांच्यांनी फायनली एग्री केलें की गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान सांगल्या शिवाय आमी कितेंच गजाल करचे ना. That is a part of MOU which was they were not agreeing to.
Final report of Sagarmala of Shipping Ministry clearly state that 6 rivers are used for navigation and transportation of coal.
They have already told the Environment Ministry and Shipping Ministry that coal should not be permitted from the port of Marmagua. So I think that issue does not come. We have put our foot down and I am very sure, first of all, that they will not go beyond our mandate.
Copy of the
I think it has already come by the way of stopping of the proceedings. You can read it on the internet also. That Environment Ministry has stopped the proceedings.
I am basing my statement on the report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Shipping and Transport. That the government of Goa has consented to the inclusion of the 6 rivers in the National Waterways Act. So my point is, just like how the state government has suggested or has consented to the inclusion of the 6 rivers, state government also has the power, or at least should make an attempt to ask the parliament to withdraw those 6 rivers. That is my suggestion.
I'll answer that. Dusri gazal, I don't know about this because if at all it is in 2015, I was not at the helm of the affair. हांव जाल्यार पळयता भितर चॅकअप करता. पण एक गजाल सांगता की you don't require consent of the state. When Parliament makes a law, the legal position is very clear that you don't require the consent of the state. As far as inclusion is concerned, I don't see, if these powers are given to me, then I don't see any reason of opposing it because we are not in position to dredge the river. Total dredging budget will be 2,000 crores.
The press release is Cabinet meeting of 24th May 2017. I will read to you the paragraph. The Cabinet also directed that while implementing viable national waterways projects, all such components that can be done on PPP basis should be explored accordingly, and government funding may be used only if private investment is not forthcoming for any component. Now here, sir, our whole purpose or the whole USP of this is that we will get funds from the central government.
PPP does exist where economic direct viability comes into picture. For example, if I am going to start up a ferry service from Dona Paula to port, I can invite private company to operate it. Asha जाग्यार PPP येता. River by itself dredging does not come under PPP because there is no gainful gain immediately on dredging. I will assure you that there will be no PPP project, at least in dredging and navigation opening.
there is a clear UN declaration of right of indigenous people, where the government has to take people, the indigenous communities into confidence first and then pass the act, because your act is completely illegal. Number one,
yeah, I'll answer that straight. If the act is illegal, you have an option of going to the Supreme Court in getting the act struck down. You are free to go. I am not stopping anyone.
हे प्रेझेंटेशन सुरू असतानाच कांय NGO'नी IMB हॉला भायर रावन रिव्हर नॅशनलायझेशना आड पत्रकां आनी तकटे घेवन निदर्शनां केलीं. मुख्यमंत्री आनी मंत्री भायर सरून वतना घोशणाय दिल्यो. सगळ्यांचे प्रश्न आयकून घेनासतना प्रेझेंटेशन गुटलायलें म्हूण एक्टिविस्टांक तिडक मारली.
Now I think we should conclude the session. We want to talk, no? No, we have already clarified. It is a factual position that we wanted to clarify. We have already clarified factual position.
With all the respect.
We shall conclude, sir. Thank you everyone for coming.
No. See, you all are running away from the questions.
Captain of Port have organized this meeting. But जेन्ना आमी क्वेश्चन पळय रेज केल्ले, इंस्टेड ऑफ कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट CM इज आन्सरिंग द क्वेश्चन. आमचो फिशरमॅनाचो क्लियर डिमांड आसा की हो जो नॅशनलायझेशन ऑफ रिवर जे आसा, 6 रिवर जे आसा हे डिनोटिफाय करचे. जशें केरला गव्हर्मेंटान तेंचे 11 रिवर्स जे आसा फाटी काडपाक लायला ते, तशें आमचे गोंयकारांक जाय. नाल्यार गोंयचे फिशरमॅन जे आसा आमी रस्त्यार येतले आनी जाय जाल्यार आमी जीव दितले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.